Communication is one of the most fundamental needs and desires of humans and other animals. But right now, with internet and mobile phone, it's very difficult to express our inner emotions and feelings with just text and sound and video, especially to loved ones or our friends. We expect completely revolutionary new ways of communication with electronic media, but not just transmitting the digital bits, but really transmitting more of our emotions and feelings to each other. So for example, we expect to have new types of communication with touch. So now it's impossible to touch someone through internet or mobile phone, but we're building devices that you can actually have touch and haptic communication. We're building new devices in the future where even taste and smell, so for example even edible interfaces, when you have a cup of coffee in the morning, then the amount of bitterness could be related to your health, or when you have a toast, it could be some message from your mother or something. So completely new types of communication is going to be kind of a breakthrough in the future. Fashion communication, and it's where we've developed clothes which is embedded with electronics and chemicals, and they become a new media device. We have other clothes where the accessories become a kind of communication. So you could be at work in a business meeting and you put a certain kind of accessory on, and maybe your clothes will be more like business-like. Then when you go out, maybe to a dinner or a party, put another kind of flower, and then you have more happy kind of expressive interface. So the clothes become a way of expressing your inner emotion by different kind of accessories. And we have other clothes which are related to function. So we can put certain kind of physical objects, clip them onto my clothes, and they'll produce certain function. So for example, some function could be related to the sound of your MP3 player. As you're walking down the street, people can see through the clothes changing colour the kind of music you're listening to. Or it could be related to your heartbeat. You could see your loved one's heartbeat. Maybe you think, oh, they're very excited or they're feeling a bit sad. And so these different kind of functions can be embedded to the clothes. Now in our families, pets are becoming so important. And so we're developing systems where you can actually play computer games, entertainment with your pet, even through the internet. So right now it's impossible to play a video game with your pet, but we've developed a system where you can actually play together in a virtual reality game with your pet hamster. So basically the system is that in the virtual world, a hamster is chasing you, the human. So it's like cat and mouse game, but this time the human is the mouse. We're also looking at projects, especially together with Keio University, where we're having deep collaboration and research together on embedding everyday objects as kind of feeling communication. So for example, your umbrella could be a way you could see photos of your friends, and you can turn the umbrella and see different photos. And also when it's not raining, you can use the umbrella to play sword battles with your friends. So all these things are embedding the media into everyday objects in our environment. We want to revolutionise the way people communicate. So right now we have the ability to transmit digital data such as sound and video and text, but we want to expand that to all the senses and a much more natural way that we can really express our deep feelings and emotions, just like when we're together.